working closely with local health care officials for more than 2 weeks to prepare for what most knew to be inevitable: positive tests for coronavirus in the Amarillo area.
Good evening. Amarillo Mayor Ginger Nelson announcing tonight that 2 people in the city area are confirmed to have the disease. As a result, the city's status moved from yellow to orange. That's the 3rd highest of the 4-level chart the city revealed earlier this week. During a press conference tonight, the city revealed only that the patients are adults, they are in isolation, and that both infections are travel related. Earlier this afternoon, local health officials had confirmed that they were still waiting on test results for about a dozen patients, and this evening announced that the test results were confirmed around 5:30. The mayor said she was not ordering restaurants to close their public dining areas, but urged business owners to evaluate their situations. Dr. Scott Milton of the Public Health Authority said they will reevaluate the screening process and will likely make changes. He said it is important for people to understand that not everyone needs to be tested, but to appreciate the seriousness of the situation, and that the guidance to practice social distancing is one of the best ways to blunt the curve of new cases.
You just need to stay at home. I think that's the most important thing. You need to self-isolate, stay at home. If you have to get out in the public, I think it's important to try to keep some distance. We talk about 6 feet.
I would ask you, as citizens, to stay unified with us. Use common sense. Pray often. This is a temporary situation, and we're going to get through it together.
And tonight's announcement comes as Northwest Texas Hospital says it has now set up testing sites for COVID-19. The testing site will be by appointment only. Callers will need to be screened and could be tested at this site if their answers meet the proper criteria. The testing site will be open from 9 until 5 Monday through Friday. The results could take up to 72 hours to come back. And the largest network of urgent cares in the area is changing protocols to help fight the spread of the disease. BSA Care Express says patients who have been exposed to COVID-19 are asked to call before coming into the clinic. You may be diverted to another urgent care, and a provider will come out to your car and give a test if it is needed. And only those who are believed to be moderate or high risk for infection will be tested. Those tests will be done at the Georgia location in Amarillo or Canyon locations. And tonight, Governor Greg Abbott also held a call with Texas mayors and county judges to discuss the strategies that are being taken to stop the spread of the coronavirus. The governor has also asked local leaders to outline methods to achieving standards set by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to combat the virus. Governor Abbott says that our local leaders play a vital role in that work because they have laid the groundwork for how communities are responding. Tomorrow, the governor will make an announcement at the state capitol regarding the state's efforts to combat the virus. And along those lines, Canyon Mayor Gary Hinders issued an emergency declaration tonight following those 2 positive tests in the Amarillo area. He will address that further at a press conference tomorrow morning at 10 at Canyon City Hall. Right now, we're going to set our coronavirus coverage aside just for